A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun.
You guys, I have to show you the beautiful sedum that I planted around all my round areas. Succulents. Look at this, showstoppers. Look at this. Look at the showstoppers right here. Look at that. Look at that flower. Look at the flowering sedum. I mean, show-stopping scenery. Look at. Is that a beautiful sight right there? Yeah. When did I plant this? Like a couple years ago? I mean, not crazy about the cattails right now, but it looks like it's working. But look at this. Look at that showstopper. That's like awesome. It's so awesome, right? Look at beautiful flowers. Yeah, it's this plant right here, the sedum. This is an actual ground cover, and look at this beautiful ground cover. Look at that beautiful ground cover. OMG, OMG. You know, I mean, I love it. Look at that. Needs a little cleaning, don't get me wrong, but the bowl that I made before, all the little glass buttons just disappeared. My husband said, self-proclaimed envy of the neighborhood. I really doubt it. Yeah. I know. Neighbor just walked by and asked why I wasn't around. She said I'm usually out here pulling weeds or planting stuff. And I explained to her that we were doing our swimming pool this whole time. And it's really nice that people actually notice. So far, I pulled most of that. I pulled this side. I need to pull that side because it's just getting overwhelming. And these two right here, my first Tessins, have just grown so fast. And it came from there, but it's now all weeds. So I need to try to revive that one. And yeah, it's coming along. If you can see, there's still weeds here. I started the other day. A lot of weeds still there I need to get done. But I started yesterday on that side. I mean, Rome wasn't built in a day, and my garden's not gonna be clean in one day either. I am officially tired. So I pulled all the weeds here, all the weeds there. This is the back side, looking out to the street. I pulled all the weeds there, and I pulled all the weeds here. It took me 2 days and about 6 barrelfuls. That barrel full, 6 or 7 barrels full, and picked up. I still haven't done like all the dried weeds on the block. Like, see that? Those are all weeds that are dead that I need to pull off, but they're disintegrating in my hands. So I don't know, should I just like water it? But then it might come back next year. I am so tired, guys. This is no joke. See all that red stuff there? That's all dead flowers. It was a beautiful circle of white, delicate flowers from this Sedum right there. It's beautiful, but they turn that color. I mean, it's not that bad to look at, but when you're up close, you can tell that it's just dead. But it looks a little bit better. And I just pulled, see this big echeveria right here? Sorry, I'm not getting up because I'm just pooped. And this echeveria right here, this one and that one had a lot of dead leaves from the underneath, and also the where's that? This one, I'm forgetting the name right now. My brain's not working. So that had like really a lot of dead leaves underneath, but look how pretty now. Look how pretty it is. And the UPS truck, eyesore, but he's gone. So yeah, I mean, it looks better now. And I took out a lot of these cattails. Is that what it's called? Cattails. That, because it was all over there. It was just growing everywhere, just popping up everywhere. So I just pulled them all. I mean, what the heck.